My friends, let me tell you something powerful. Being over 60 does not mean weakness. It does not mean fragility. It does not mean that your best years of strength are behind you. The truth is, your body has a remarkable ability to adapt, repair, and rebuild at any age. But here's the secret. You have to believe in that ability, and you have to discipline yourself to act on it. Strength after 60 isn't just about lifting weights or looking good in the mirror. It's about freedom. The freedom to walk wherever you want, to travel without fear, to carry your own groceries, to play with your grandchildren, and to live life on your own terms. So today, we're going to talk about how people over 60 can rebuild strength, fast, and why the right mindset, the right diet, and the right movements can transform your body and your life in just weeks. 1. The truth about aging and strength. First, let's clear up one of the biggest lies you've been told. As you age, your body automatically gets weaker, and you can't do anything. That's a lie. Yes, after 60, we naturally lose some muscle mass. Doctors call it sarcopenia. Studies show that after age 60, we can lose 3 to 5% of our muscle mass every decade if we do nothing. But here's the empowering truth. Research also shows that older adults can gain muscle and strength just as effectively as younger people if they train and eat properly. I want you to hear me clearly. Your muscles are not dead. They're waiting to be awakened. Think of your body like a garden. If you stop watering and tending to it, weeds grow, the soil hardens, and life slows down. But the moment you add water, sunlight, and care, the garden comes back to life. It's the same with your muscles. With the right care, they respond instantly. 2. Why strength matters more after 60. Now for the real question. Why should seniors over 60 build strength again? Because strength isn't just about muscles, it's about life itself. Strong muscles mean strong bones, which protect you from breaking and falling. Strength means balance, stability, and confidence when you walk. Strength means independence, not relying on others to do simple tasks. Strength means energy, the ability to stay active, not sluggish. A powerful study from Tufts University shows that seniors who engaged in simple strength training not only improved muscle mass but also reversed weakness, reduced arthritis pain, and even boosted their metabolism. Think about it. Lifting your body, lifting small weights, lifting your spirit through action, it literally slows down aging. Strength is your shield. Strength is your freedom. And after 60, it's not optional, it's essential. 3. The foundation of strength, your mindset. Now before I tell you the right diet, exercises, and strategies, let's focus on the foundation of it all, your mindset. Because rebuilding strength after 60 isn't just about your muscles, it starts with your mind. If you believe you're too old, your body will follow that belief. But if you believe you can grow, improve, and rebuild, your body will move toward that command. Discipline is the bridge. You don't have to work out for hours a day. You don't have to follow an extreme plan. What you do need is consistency, a decision that you're going to do something for your strength every day. And that is the vision I want you to carry. See yourself walking strong, standing tall, moving forward with energy. Picture the person you want to be, and let that vision pull you forward. Because the truth is, seniors who commit to getting strong are not just adding years to their lives, they are adding life to their years. Microphone #section 4, Power Fuel, what to eat after 60. My friends, power isn't just built in the gym or through exercise, it's built in the kitchen, at your dinner table, in every bite you take. Here's the truth, if you don't have the right building blocks in your body, your muscles can't grow. And the number one building block for muscle is protein. Now, many seniors don't eat nearly enough protein. They fill up on bread, rice, tea, or a light snack, but at this stage of life the body actually needs more protein, not less. Why? Because your body becomes less efficient at using protein as you age. Studies show that older adults need about 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight to maintain and rebuild muscle. That means if you weigh 70 kilograms, you should aim for about 85 to 100 grams of protein per day. Should. So what does it do? See it in real life. Breakfast with eggs or Greek yogurt. Lunch with chicken, fish, or lentils. A snack of nuts, seeds, or cottage cheese. Dinner with beans, lean meat, or tofu. Even small, steady portions add up, and every gram counts when it comes to rebuilding your strength. Microphone #section 5, forgotten nutrients that supercharge muscle and bone. But protein alone isn't enough. Your body is like a house. Protein builds the walls, but you need other materials to make it strong and long-lasting. Let's look at these nutrients that often disappear after 60, but are crucial for strength. Vitamin D and calcium, these two work together to keep your bones strong. Without them, muscles weaken and bones become brittle. Get daily sunlight, eat salmon, sardines, dairy, or fortified plant milk. Magnesium, this mineral helps your muscles contract and recover. It's found in spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, and whole grains. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, walnuts, and flaxseed. They reduce inflammation, protect joints, and improve muscle protein synthesis. Creatine, yes, even for seniors. A small amount of red meat or fish can boost energy for your muscles, helping you lift, move, and recover faster. Think of your body like a car. Protein is the fuel, but these nutrients are the oil, tires, and engine parts. Without them, the car might start but it won't run smoothly. Microphone #section 6, hydration, the overlooked secret to strength. Another thing that almost everyone forgets, water. Muscles are 75% water. Dehydration makes you weak, stiff, and tired. Many seniors just drink tea or coffee and think that's enough, but it can make you even more dehydrated. Here's a simple rule, aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. If plain water feels boring, add lemon, cucumber, or herbal tea. Staying hydrated will keep your muscles flexible, your joints lubricated, and your energy steady. Studio microphone, section 7. Movement is medicine. The best exercises for seniors over 60. Now we come to the most powerful part of rebuilding strength. Movement. Remember this truth. Muscles don't grow from thinking, they grow from doing. And here's the great news. You don't need fancy equipment or a gym membership to rebuild strength. You need only your body, your willpower, and a few smart exercises. Let's break it down into 3 categories every senior should focus on. White heavy check mark 1. Resistance training, muscle building. Resistance simply means your muscles are working against force. This could be your own body weight, a resistance band, or light dumbbells. The best movements are squats or chair stands. Sit down and stand up from a chair slowly. Builds leg and core strength. Wall push UPS. Stand arm's length from a wall and push against it. Strengthens chest, shoulders, and arms. Seated leg lifts. While sitting, straighten one leg, hold it, then lower. Builds thigh and hip strength. Bicep curls with water bottles. Simple, safe, and effective for arm strength. Just 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, 3 times a week, can rebuild lost muscle surprisingly fast. White heavy check mark 2. Balance training, stability and fall prevention. One of the biggest fears after 60 is falling. Balance exercises strengthen stabilizer muscles and protect you. Standing on one leg, with support nearby, improves ankle, knee, and hip stability. Heel-to-toe walking, like walking a straight line, builds coordination and balance. Tai Chi or gentle yoga, proven by research to improve balance and flexibility in seniors. White heavy check mark 3. Flexibility and mobility, pain-free movement. Flexibility keeps you moving without stiffness. Shoulder rolls, release tension in the upper body. Gentle neck stretches, prevent stiffness and headaches. Cat-cow stretch, on hands and knees or seated, keeps the spine flexible. Hamstring stretch, seated, reaching toward toes, keeps legs limber and reduces risk of injury. Studio microphone, section 8. How much exercise do you really need? Now you may wonder, do I have to exercise every day? Here's the empowering truth. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day, 4 to 5 days a week, is enough to transform your body. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait until your teeth are falling out to start brushing. You maintain them daily. Movement is the same. It's hygiene for your muscles, bones, and joints. Start small, even 10 minutes a day. What matters is not perfection, but consistency. Remember, discipline beats motivation. Motivation may fail, but discipline keeps you going. Studio microphone, section 9. The rule of progress. Start slow, build steady. Now, a word of caution. The fastest way to get hurt is to do too much, too soon. The smartest way to get strong is to start where you are, and progress gradually. Begin with your body weight. Add light resistance bands or water bottles. Increase repetitions over time, not overnight. Listen to your body. Some soreness is normal. It means your muscles are waking up. But sharp pain is a warning sign. Respect your limits, but also push gently beyond comfort. That's where growth begins. Every week, do just a little more than the last. That's how strength is rebuilt, not through giant leaps, but small, steady steps. Studio Microphone, Section 10. The Forgotten Key to Strength, Rest and Recovery. My friends, I want you to hear this clearly. Strength is not built when you exercise. It is built when you rest and recover. Every time you challenge your muscles, whether by squats, lifting a bottle, or walking uphill, you create tiny tears in the muscle fibers. This is not damage, it's opportunity. When you rest, your body repairs those fibers, making them stronger, denser, and more resilient. That's why sleep is your #1 recovery tool. Seniors who sleep less than 6 hours often struggle with weakness, fatigue, and poor balance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Here are a few tips for better sleep after 60. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine in the evening. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Your body loves routine. Try a gentle stretching or breathing exercise before bed to calm your mind. Think of sleep as your natural medicine. Each night is a chance for your body to heal, recharge, and rebuild. Studio Microphone, Section 11. The Power of Active Recovery. Rest doesn't mean doing nothing. It means moving gently in ways that help your muscles recover faster. This is called active recovery. Instead of lying on the couch all day after a workout, try a light walk around the block, gentle stretching or yoga, a warm bath to relax stiff muscles. These small actions increase blood flow, carrying nutrients to your muscles so they heal stronger. Remember, movement heals. Studio Microphone, Section 12. Stress, Hormones, and Strength. Here's something few people talk about: stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, a hormone that breaks down muscle and stores fat. So if you're trying to rebuild strength but constantly feel anxious, tense, or overwhelmed, your progress will stall. That's why rebuilding strength after 60 is not only physical, it's also emotional and mental. Try daily practices like deep breathing for 5 minutes, writing down 3 things you're grateful for, spending time in nature or with loved ones. A calm mind is a strong mind, and a strong mind builds a strong body. Studio Microphone, Section 13. The Discipline of Consistency. My friends, let me be direct with you. Strength will not come in one day, 1 week, or 1 workout. But it will come, fast, if you stay consistent. Here is the formula. Eat well. Move daily. Rest deeply. Repeat. It sounds simple because it is simple. The hard part is doing it day after day. That's where discipline matters more than motivation. Motivation is a spark. It feels good but burns out quickly. Discipline is the firewood. It keeps you warm through the long night. If you commit to 30 minutes a day for the next 30 days, your body will change. Your energy will rise. Your confidence will return. And the people around you will notice the strength shining from within you. Studio Microphone, Section 14. Your Daily Strength Building Blueprint. Now that we've covered mindset, diet, exercise, rest, and recovery, let me give you a simple step-by-step daily plan you can follow. Nothing complicated, nothing extreme. Just consistent practice that works. Here's what a powerful day might look like. Morning. Drink a glass of water with lemon to wake up your body. Eat a protein-rich breakfast like eggs with spinach or Greek yogurt with berries. Do 10 minutes of gentle stretching or balance training. Afternoon. Take a 20 to 30-minute walk outside or do light resistance training. Eat a lunch of lean protein and colorful vegetables. Drink a glass or 2 of water. Evening. Do 15 to 20 minutes of resistance exercises, chair stands, wall push-ups, leg lifts, or light dumbbell curls. Eat a protein-based dinner, chicken, fish, beans, or lentils. Spend 10 minutes quieting your mind, deep breathing, praying, or journaling. Go to bed early, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. It's not overwhelming. It's not impossible. It's discipline in action. And it works faster than you think. Studio Microphone, Section 15. your future vision. Now I want you to pause and visualize something. Close your eyes and picture yourself 6 months from now. You followed this plan. You showed up every day, even when you didn't feel like it. You ate better, moved more, slept better. What do you see? You see yourself walking stronger, standing taller, moving forward with confidence. Your arms are strong, your legs are steady, your back feels straight. You are carrying your groceries without fear, playing energetically with your grandchildren, climbing stairs with ease. That is not a dream. That is a decision. And that decision starts today, with you. My friends, power is your birthright. But today, you have learned the truth. It's never too late. Science proves it, real people live it, and now it's your turn. So here's my challenge to you. Start today. Don't wait for Monday, don't wait for the new year. Start now. Do a set of squats. Drink an extra glass of water. Add an extra serving of protein. Go to bed an hour earlier. Small steps taken daily will take you further than big steps taken once. And remember, discipline creates freedom. Power creates freedom. Vision creates life. You're not too old. You're not too late. You're exactly where you need to be to start. Reclaim your power. Reclaim your freedom. And live the powerful, vibrant life you were meant to live. Soft cinematic shots of active seniors, walking in a park, smiling, gardening, playing with grandkids. Overlay text, strength after 60 equals freedom. Calm, inspiring background music. Section 1. The truth about aging and strength. Side-by-side images. A wilted garden, then a lush, thriving garden, to match the metaphor. Animation showing muscle fibers shrinking with age, then thickening again with exercise. Footage of seniors exercising with confidence, chair squats, resistance bands. Section 2. Why strength matters after 60. Clips of older adults. Carrying grocery bags. Walking up stairs without help. Dancing or doing light hiking. Infographic. Strength equals energy, balance, independence, longevity. Section 3. Mindset. Close-up shots of seniors looking in the mirror, smiling with determination. Gentle fade-ins of motivational text, discipline, vision, growth. Short cinematic scene, a senior writing in a journal, visualizing their future self. Section 4. Foods for strength. Slow-motion shots of eggs frying in a pan, salmon on a plate, yogurt with berries, beans simmering. A hand pouring water into a glass. Infographics, protein, 85, 100 g/day, with examples, chicken breast, lentils, nuts. Small callouts for vitamin D, magnesium, omega-3, calcium. Section 5. Exercises. Demonstrations of seniors performing. Chair stands, wall push-ups, seated leg lifts, balance exercises. Split screen, before and after, animation. Posture weak versus posture strong. Text overlay, 20 to 30 minutes a day is enough. Section 6. Rest and recovery. Peaceful shots. Senior stretching before bed. Bedroom with dim light, showing someone sleeping calmly. Graphic animation. Muscle fiber breaking during exercise, healing stronger during sleep. Section 7. Stress and consistency. Calming scenes. Senior walking in nature. Deep breathing, meditating, or praying. Visual metaphor, a spark, motivation, versus a steady flame, discipline. Section 8. Daily blueprint. Time-lapse of a senior's day. Morning water with lemon. Stretching at sunrise. Walking outdoors midday. Resistance training in the evening. Journaling or prayer before bed. Overlay checklist. Hydrate white heavy checkmark, move white heavy checkmark, eat protein white heavy checkmark, rest white heavy checkmark. Closing message. Strong, cinematic montage. Seniors lifting small weights, laughing with family, traveling, walking proudly. Final text on screen. You are not too old. You are not too late. Start today.